Did you know when Adam opened his eyes, when the breath of God went into the soul of Adam, the body, he opened his eyes on the Sabbath day. The Lord said it was evening and morning the first day, evening and morning the second day. But when he created Adam, Adam opened his eyes and God looked at creation and he saw it was good, indeed it was very good. He never announced again it was evening and morning the next day, because God rested. And when we go back to the Hebrew word, you will find that, and God rested, is the Sabbath rest. We find the word put in Genesis 2, when God said, I put Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden. When you look at the word put, you will find the Hebrew word nuach, N-U-A-C-H, nuach, and that nuach means dominion, rest. It was from the beginning God's plan to put Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden, in their dominion rest, their Sabbath rest. That is their dominion rest. Dominion rest means to rule and reign from a place of rest. It was never God's intention for Adam to pick up a spade and start working. Everything he put in Adam's hand was to receive it, to manage it, to steward it, and to distribute it. And if you look at the word nuach, it means to settle down, it is to dwell, to stay, to give comfort, to cease, to be quiet, to remain, to rest, to set down. Noah is a derivative of the word nuach, dominion, rest. Isn't that beautiful? God said, I will start over now with Noah to save the world. My intention with you, Noah, is to go back to your dominion rest. It is to cease from your own works. But then I asked, but what about this mountain of Ararat? And I found out that I miss it. We think it is the mountain of Ararat, but it is not. It is the mountains. It says it is the region of Ararat. And Ararat means a place of rest. So here comes Noah. Imagine for yourself on the ark, in the ark, without the engine, without the steering wheel, without nothing. He is just hovering over the waters for more than a year. God make a declaration, Noah, you can get out of my ark, and I want you to cease from your own works. I want you to steward what I give now into your hands. Here is the new world. Steward it, replenish it, keep it, and dress it.